How would your life change if you make 21.9 million naira in just 15 months? Imagine paying off all your debt, treating your loved ones, and living the life you've always dreamed of. That's exactly what happened to me. Just a little over a year ago, I was at rock bottom, so broke that 200 naira note I found on the ground paid for dinner for my brothers and me. I have borrowed money to run ads for my then affiliate marketing business, but everything crashed. No one was listening to me anymore. I had just become irrelevant. But then something happened that changed my life. I discovered a Web3 business opportunity nobody knows about, and I met someone who has made over $2.9 million in the Web3 space. He don't just have results to show for it. He has other people like me who has made minimum of $50,000 from it too. To be honest, it wasn't easy at first. I faced doubts from friends, family, and even myself too. But I persisted following this Web3 business. Today, after 15 months, I've made over 21.9 million naira. The same people who doubted me are now begging me to show them my secrets. If you want to achieve the same, I am offering to hold you by the hand and guide you step by step for free, but only if you say yes. The best way to say yes right now is by tapping on the Learn More button below. The first 5 people to tap the Learn More button will be added into my private mentorship class. This opportunity won't last forever, so act fast. See you on the inside.